What's up? It's gonna be my first video in my new music room. We ended up with an empty room in the house, so put the old Line 6 in here. All my guitar cases and guitars are right there. Some Winn-Dixie drinks, because Winn-Dixie does make the best diet drinks, I will say. There's that little pelican, and a starfish, and a printer, and a sewing machine over there, and a cat carrier, and a big white table. So hopefully, and a sewing machine chair, and a vacuum cleaner. A really expensive vacuum cleaner that does a very good job. Don't get me wrong, it does a great job, but it's just, woof. There's my Taylor. There's an extra chair, in case I ever get somebody to visit me, but there probably won't. Nobody loves me. There's a fan. There's another fan. All kinds of outlets. There's a closet. I would look in that closet, but I just don't know what's going to be in there. As most people's closets. All right. So I picked to play the old DBZ. One of the best guitars I've ever had, honestly. I am getting tired of the Floyd Rose. But you don't have to use the Floyd Rose if you don't want to, and it'll still stay pretty well in tune. My Epiphone, I freaking love that. I'm just not playing it right now, just because this one was out of the box. The Taylor, I love that one. I don't know if I ever showed you guys my Johnson. What's still in the case. And my Marley guitar, my little red guitar is in the case. Here's my chorusy sound, my 80s. What is it? Now, Brian Adams put that in F sharp, so technically, I'm not really playing stuff I shouldn't. That's a great lick. Well, we might learn that one day. But in case you didn't know, this is a D. Right? So instead of having this extra root, you're actually dropping it down. I believe that's called like a D11th, or maybe a D13th, something like that. I'm not totally sure. Then, if you drop down and you use your finger to do the top strings on the 3rd fret, and then your first finger to do the 2nd fret 3rd string down, that's a C. And then the other 2 chords are going to, well, 3 chords. Going to be a B minor 7, then an F sharp minor to a G, and then back to the D. Alright, so I don't know how this is going to sound, but I'm going to try it. will. Let's see how it sounds.